Well, for over 35 years, Vetter has been a reliable partner in the fill finish arena. We have been a CDMO for some of the largest pharma companies as well as many small biotech companies. We have done a wide range of large molecule products, monoclonal antibodies, peptides, DNA, RNA products, but also diluents and placebos. About 80% of what we do are biologics. So companies developing new biologics have high expectations for the molecule. The smallest details can impact the success of that product. So we work with customers from early preclinical all the way through commercial launch to help customize that development program. We have two state-of-the-art clinical facilities in Chicago and in southern Germany. We're here at Bio, and at Bio there's a lot of talk of licensing and partnership and value of assets. So when you're considering a licensing situation, we bring tremendous value both to the licensee and the licensor. We're a known and trusted supplier to most major pharma companies. So when a licensee is conducting their due diligence and it's determined that Vetter is the supplier of that product, they know they can trust Vetter to continue supplying that compound. So there's lower risk, and that translates into greater value for the asset. So we work with both large pharma and small biotech companies. Our clinical manufacturing service are of particular interest to biotech companies who need a high-quality CDMO. We've enjoyed the opportunity to support clients with short timelines, but also high-value API. Usually in those situations, there's a limited amount of API available for that early clinical manufacturing, and this is where Vetter really shines, and we can really support them with a reliable service. Please visit our website at vetter-pharma.com to get a deeper understanding of our services.